Hey guys, welcome back to my vlog channel. So for today's video, we're doing like the blind and deaf cooking challenge. We're making crumble cookies. We have all the ingredients here to make it easier.
Yeah. Blind.
And I'm deaf. Someone's professional. So you have to butter and the sugars.
Okay.
Butter. Do you remember how much butter you need?
Girl, I can't see.
So I'm gonna be in charge of everything.
Yeah. Girl, I can't open this.
Huh?
Oh, never mind.
Bro, I saved this video of a girl talking.
Girl,
I can't hear her talking. Okay, you need 1.5 cup of butter.
Okay.
Salted butter! Bruh.
It's the same thing.
Can we just add salt in it? Ow!
Girl, it is so cute.
Wait, how do we measure 1.5 cup of butter?
In a cup.
Huh? Oh my god, my butter is blue.
What?
Because I cut it with the wrapper.
I did too, no?
And then it like smeared. Okay.
In here?
No, not on there, on the bowl.
Here.
Okay. Here's your brown sugar. And here's your first cup.
One
of that cup I gave you.
Girl. This?
Yeah, that. Yeah. Uh-oh. I'm so dumb.
Bruh, what'd you do?
I added brown sugar to mine. Mine doesn't need brown sugar.
Bruh, take it out.
I'm so dumb. I'm so dumb. It's okay. I'll get it out. Right here. 3 eggs in the big bowl, and I'm gonna cream yours.
Here's my shell.
What? This one? Uh-oh.
Oh my god. These are the shells.
This is so bad.
What should I do?
Huh?
What should I do?
I don't know, but it's not creaming together.
Why?
Because there's no liquid.
Just try.
Huh?
Just try.
I'm trying, but everything's spilling.
Go like this first.
With the machine?
Yeah.
Okay, you do it. Should we put it in the micro for a little?
A little bit. Oh my.
So you can't see. I'm like trying to show you what he texted me. He's like, oh my god, I left it in the microwave for so long.
Bro.
I forgot. Oh, everything's in the mixer.
Bruh.
Everything's stuck in the mixer.
Oh, I feel it.
Try with your fingers getting that out.
How do I take this out?
You done? Okay, now you have to add one of this, a vanilla extract. Do you think you can?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, out of the thing. Bro, that bowl's so small.
I know.
I don't think I have another bigger one though. You need 3 of these. Of flour. Over here. I just wanna feel this moment.
Oh my plate.
Okay. No, you're pushing it out of the bag.
Bro.
3? 3, yeah. I don't think I'm supposed to do this, but I'm gonna do it.
What?
Because she needs the bowl. You could wash it or not wash it. Whatever you want.
No.
No, it's okay. Just pour it in.
All.
1 cup. Then I need to crush Oreo. How do we crush Oreos?
With a spoon?
In a bag? In a sandwich bag? Girl, you're not adding anything.
Stop going.
Wait. Because it's all stuck.
How do you open this?
You have to open it. You don't know how? Don't stop. Sunlight, tick tock on the clock.
Girl's eating.
What is that? Open wide. You can start mixing that, but slowly. Just like push it into it. Are you paying attention?
Yes.
Push it into.
Girl, where's the
over there
thing?
in the mixer?
Oh.
Oh my god! You spilled all the cocoa. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god, Janet! Let go! Go to the camera and show yourself.
Is it on my pants?
Bruh, this girl! Oh!
Did it spread? Did it spread?
Yeah!
Bro!
Little only.
Oh.
It's mostly on your arm. Wash your arm. Wash your arm. She's baking on the stove, not even in the bowl. All the cocoa powder fell.
Bruh.
Ow! It tastes good.
This?
And then you put it, yeah, and then you squeeze it. Okay guys, we'll come back when we're done this because the camera is about to die. Okay guys, so we are done baking. We kind of gave up on the blindfoldness. This is how much cookies came out. Look how much.
A lot.
Literally a lot, like a whole
And
stack.
there's more here.
Yeah, but we only decorated a few.
Yeah.
So here they are. Let's do a close-up. Bring yours. Slay, are they giving crumble? Okay, cute. Over here. Ooh, cute. Okay. Okay guys, but yeah, that's the end of today's video. If you guys want to see us try it, we're going to try it in my ASMR channel. So make sure to go check that out. ASMR Reels. And yeah, go subscribe and yeah.
Go subscribe and like the video.
Yeah. Okay, bye guys.
Bye.